Hi, this is Miss Howard, and I'm going to help you memorize your Bill of Rights. So here we go. I'll try and do this quickly. Number 1 is your First Amendment, and it has 5 parts. And we memorize that by saying RAPS, R-A-P-P-S. So the first one, R, is freedom of religion. So the guy up there, you are allowed to be free to practice any religion you want. RA, that's freedom of assembly. You can come here and we can get in a group and we're allowed to do that. RAP, one of the P's is petition. I can say, government, I want change. I'm going to petition you for change. We have the freedom of petition. We can ask our government for change. RAPP, press. You like pressing on paper with a pen, it makes you write something. We have the freedom of petition. The freedom of press. When you press down, it writes something. So RAPPS, the freedom of speech. We are allowed to say as we please about our government, as long as we don't infringe on anybody's rights. So RAPS, RAPPS, religion, assembly, petition, press, speech. So religion, assembly, petition, press, speech. All number 1. Number 2, like a gun, 1, 2, we have the right to bear arms. Number 3, make your, like a quarter, we are protected against quartering soldiers as your Third Amendment. You can also think about it as a third wheel is awkward if you have to quarter soldiers in your home. So third is quarter soldiers. Number 4, knock on the door. You need a warrant for that before you search or seize my things. So 4, knock on the door. You need a warrant before you search and seize my things. Number 5 is the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will and can be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. So 5, the right to remain silent. This also includes your due process. Every criminal is due the process of law. Number 6 is the right to a speedy trial. You are not going to sit in jail for 50 years before you get a trial. That's against your Bill of Rights. Also, part of the Sixth Amendment is we have to have a jury ready. So that's why adults go to jury duty because we don't know when crimes are going to happen, but we need to have a jury ready and assembled. So 6, right to a speedy trial. And to do that, we also have to have a jury ready. Number 7, we don't use a lot, but think about this. It's a right to a jury in a civil trial. So the judge, you, and your jurors. Number 8, 2 ways you can think of it. Like this, I'm going to wring your neck because you're in trouble, or you're in trouble and you're wearing handcuffs. So that's like an 8. Either way, you're in trouble. And the 8th Amendment is for criminals. So you have the right against cruel and unusual punishment and excessive fines. So 8, you're in trouble. We need to wring your neck, but you're protected against cruel punishment, unusual punishment, and excessive fines. We will not fine you $10 million for stealing a Snickers bar. Number 9, look, where's my thumb? It's still there. So the 9th Amendment says just because the right is not listed in the Bill of Rights does not mean you're not protected against it. We can't write every single little detail of your protections in the Bill of Rights. And number 10, a huge one tested all the time, is federalism. Number 10 says, and this was to protect the states, if the amendment is not, if the right is not listed in the Constitution, that right or power gets pushed to the states. So the 10th Amendment, federalism, those rights get pushed to the states. So from the federal government, it gets pushed to the states because it is not automatically given to the federal government. This one's argued a lot, 10th Amendment, federalism. Hope that helps. There's also a handout to help you on that, and you can fast forward and rewind this as needed. That's it.